Have you ever bitten into a juicy McDonald's burger and wondered, how do they make these taste so good every single time? We've all been there, sitting in that familiar red and yellow restaurant, enjoying a Big Mac or a Quarter Pounder. The taste is consistent, whether you're in New York, London, or Tokyo. But what's the secret? Well, today, we're pulling back the curtain and going on an exclusive journey deep inside the world of McDonald's burger production. We're going to uncover the secrets, the science, and the sheer scale of the operation that brings one of the world's most iconic foods from the factory to your tray. Get ready, because what you're about to see will change the way you look at a McDonald's burger forever. It all starts with the key ingredient, 100% beef. McDonald's is very clear about this. They partner with dedicated, long-standing suppliers who source beef from ranchers. These suppliers are held to incredibly high standards for quality and safety. Imagine massive facilities, cleaner than you can imagine, where huge cuts of beef arrive. We're talking about prime cuts, like chuck, sirloin, and round. There are no weird additives, no fillers, and no preservatives mixed into the beef itself. It's just pure, simple beef. This commitment to quality is the very first step in ensuring that classic McDonald's taste. The beef is carefully inspected upon arrival. Quality control experts check for color, temperature, and texture. Anything that doesn't meet the strict criteria is rejected. This isn't just a quick glance. It's a meticulous process, because at this scale, even a small mistake can have a huge impact. Once the beef passes inspection, it's time for the grinding process. This is where the magic really starts to happen. The large cuts of beef are fed into enormous industrial grinders. These aren't like the little grinders you might have in your kitchen. These are powerful machines that can process thousands of pounds of beef every hour. The grinding is done in a temperature-controlled environment to keep the beef cold. This is crucial for two reasons. First, it maintains food safety by preventing bacterial growth. And second, it ensures the fat and the meat stay perfectly blended, which is key to that juicy texture we all love. The beef is ground to a very specific consistency, a recipe that McDonald's has perfected over decades. It's not too fine, not too coarse it. It's just right to create a patty that is both tender and has a satisfying bite. This precision is what separates a good burger from a great one. After grinding, the perfectly blended beef is ready to be formed into those iconic round patties. The ground beef is transported to a patty-forming machine. This is where engineering and food science come together in a beautiful dance. The machine portions out the exact amount of beef for each patty. Whether it's the smaller patty for a classic hamburger or the larger one for a Quarter Pounder, the weight is precise to the gram. The machine then gently presses the beef into the familiar circular shape. The key word here is gently. They don't want to compress the meat too much, because that would result in a tough, dry burger. The goal is to form a patty that holds its shape but is still loose enough to remain tender and juicy when cooked. It's a delicate balance that these custom-built machines have mastered. As the patties roll off the line, one by one, in a seemingly endless stream, they are about to face their most critical test yet. Flash freezing. This is perhaps one of the most important secrets to McDonald's consistency and global success. The freshly formed patties travel on a conveyor belt into a massive flash-freezing tunnel. Inside these tunnels, blasts of cryogenically cold air. We're talking temperatures well below freezing. Freeze the patty solid in a matter of seconds. Why do they do this so quickly? Flash freezing locks in the freshness and flavor of the beef instantly. It creates tiny ice crystals, unlike slow freezing at home, which creates large ice crystals that can damage the meat's texture and make it mushy when thawed. This process ensures that a patty made in a factory in the US will taste just as fresh and delicious when it is cooked in a restaurant in Australia months later. It's a game changer in food preservation. Once frozen solid, the patties are ready for packaging. But first, they go through another round of rigorous quality checks. Automated systems with cameras and lasers scan each and every patty. They check for size, shape, and any surface imperfections. At the same time, human inspectors are also on the line, providing that final, crucial oversight. It's a dual system of technology and human expertise working together. Any patty that is even slightly off spec is immediately removed from the line. This relentless pursuit of perfection is what guarantees that the burger you order will look and taste exactly as you expect it to. It's this level of detail that builds trust with millions of customers every single day. Only the perfect patties make it through to the next stage. After passing the final inspection, the patties are stacked, separated by wax paper, and then automatically packaged into sealed boxers. The packaging is designed to protect the patties from any damage or contamination during shipping and storage. Each box is labeled with a wealth of information, including the production date, the factory location, and a batch code. This is all part of a sophisticated tracking system. This system allows McDonald's to trace any box of patties back to the exact date, time, and even the specific batch of beef it came from. This traceability is paramount for food safety. In the unlikely event of an issue, they can quickly identify and isolate the affected product, ensuring customer safety remains the top priority. It's a complex logistical network that operates seamlessly behind the scenes. From the factory, the boxers of frozen patties are loaded onto refrigerated trucks. These trucks are essentially mobile freezers, maintaining a constant, frigid temperature throughout the entire journey. They transport the patties to McDonald's distribution centers, which are strategically located around the world. From these centers, the patties are then sent out to individual McDonald's restaurants. The entire supply chain is a cold chain, meaning the patties remain frozen solid from the moment they leave the factory until they arrive at the restaurant. This unbroken cold chain is non-negotiable. It is the final link in the chain of guaranteeing freshness and safety before the patties are finally ready to be cooked and served to a hungry customer. Now, let's talk about the cooking process in the restaurant, because that's where all this preparation pays off. The frozen patties go directly onto a specially designed double-sided grill. This grill cooks both sides of the patty simultaneously. This method is incredibly fast, searing the outside of the patty to create a flavorful crust while locking in the juices. The cooking time and temperature are pre-programmed, eliminating any guesswork for the crew. A timer goes off, and the perfectly cooked patties are ready. They are seasoned with a simple blend of salt and pepper right after they come off the grill. Never before. This enhances the natural beef flavor without drawing out moisture during cooking. It's the final touch that makes the burger pop. So, the next time you enjoy a McDonald's burger, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken. It's a story of science, precision, and an unwavering commitment to quality. From carefully sourced beef and meticulous grinding, to gentle patty forming, revolutionary flash freezing, and a flawless cold chain. Every single step is designed with one goal in mind: to deliver that consistently delicious burger you know and love, time and time again. It's not just fast food, it's a masterpiece of modern food production. And now, you know the secrets behind it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes content. See you in the next one.